Love is more powerful than hate. Love is a powerful force that can overcome hate and negativity. Here are some reasons why love is more powerful than hate. Love promotes unity. Love encourages people to come together and build connections, creating a sense of unity and community. Love inspires kindness. Love inspires acts of kindness and compassion, leading to positive change and a better world. Love fosters forgiveness. Love can help to heal wounds and foster forgiveness, leading to reconciliation and a peaceful resolution of conflicts. Love builds resilience. Love can help individuals and communities to overcome challenges and adversity by providing emotional support and strength. Love transforms. Love has the power to transform people and societies, leading to a more inclusive, compassionate, and harmonious world. Overall, love is a transformative and powerful force that can conquer hate and negativity, promoting unity, kindness, forgiveness, resilience, and transformation. It is your turn to speak. 1, 2, 3, go. Great job! Please comment, subscribe to our channel.